New Script Record tool. Using Script Record in ZW3D 2021, engineers can record the script of frequently used commands and perform them by map key. For example, to get a flat profile of pin shapes, usually we need to enlarge the pin's outer surface first. Then, select the edge of the enlarged surface. Finally, delete the enlarged surface. As you can see, we need 3 commands, 11 clicks. We have to spend a lot of time in switching between different ribbon tabs. With map key, you could finish the job faster and more easily. Let's see how to create a new map key. Click Script Record in the Utilities menu. Click the New button and type in a keyboard shortcut. Then, give the map key a name and add the descriptions according to your needs. Click the Start button to start recording. Conduct the operations to getting flat profile of pin shapes as mentioned earlier. Click the Stop button to finish recording. Let's select the map key created just now, and click the Run button to test it. If it's OK, click the Save button. Now, the map key is done. You can use the map key to do the repetitive work. Click the modal space. Type in the map key FF, and the recorded operations can be performed automatically. You can find that the whole process becomes much faster and more easily.